Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of week 8 of social studies. Remember, we're talking about the 3 branches of government. Yesterday we talked about the executive branch. Today we're going to talk about the legislative branch. All right, so the legislative branch makes the laws, and we refer to them as the Alabama legislature. It is made up of the Senate and the House of Representatives. There are 35 state senators and there are 105 representatives. Senators and representatives are elected by the people of Alabama. Again, like I said yesterday, we are a democracy. We do not just get to decide, hey, I'm gonna be a new senator today. I won't go be a senator. I don't want to do this anymore. I just want to be a senator. Can't do that. You have to be elected by the people of Alabama. Senators serve 4-year terms and representatives also serve 4-year terms. These elected officials write bills and then vote to see if those bills become laws. Remember, a bill we talked about yesterday is just a proposed law, an idea for a law, essentially. Who has the power to say no to a bill? Right, the governor, the head of the executive branch, has the power to veto or say no to a bill, so it cannot become a law. All right, a bicameral Congress. Our founding fathers had a hard time deciding how to set up our legislative branch. They decided it would be bicameral, which means it's divided into 2 houses. Bi means 2, and so it's bicameral, 2 houses. Any law made for our nation would have to go through both. It would have to go through both, be approved by both. It couldn't be approved by one and the other one say no and it go through. It has to be approved by both. The Senate is made up of 2 people from each state. The representatives would depend on the size of the state. This means that the larger the state is, the more representatives they have. So Texas, for example, is going to have more representatives than Alabama does because of the size. And California is going to have more representatives than Rhode Island because California is larger than Rhode Island. All right, Alabama's General Assembly is bicameral. The state is divided into 35 districts for electing senators and 105 districts for electing representatives. So each of the 35 districts elects a senator, and then each of the 105 districts elects the representatives. Okay, so here is how it is set up. The red and the blue just represent the differing houses. Okay, either Democrat or Republican, the different parties. A bicameral, 2 houses, 2-party government. All right, and so that is the 35 representatives and the 35 senators, and the 105 representatives. All righty, Alabama citizens are represented much like American citizens, okay? So it's the same election process. We have the 2 different parties. We get to vote for them. We have our senators, we have our House of Representatives. So in the U.S. government, those representatives and those senators help represent us there. All righty, that is it for today for the legislative branch. Come back tomorrow for some more social studies. I will see y'all then. Have a great day.